Welcome to today's YouTube video, where we'll look into the exciting world of being a front desk agent at a hotel. Have you ever wondered what it's like to work behind the scenes, ensuring guests have a memorable stay? Well, today, we'll walk you through the job functions, training, advancement opportunities, and review the daily tasks of a front desk agent. First, let's talk about the role of a front desk agent. As the face of the hotel, these individuals play a crucial part in creating a positive guest experience. They are responsible for welcoming guests, checking them in and out, answering questions, and providing information about hotel amenities and local attractions. To become a successful front desk agent, proper training is essential. New hires typically undergo a comprehensive training program. This includes learning about the hotel's policies, reservation systems, customer service techniques, and the use of various software tools. Many hotels also provide ongoing training to keep their front desk agents up to date with industry trends and technologies. This ensures that they can handle any situation, from assisting with reservations to addressing guest concerns promptly and professionally. Now, let's talk about advancement opportunities. Working as a front desk agent can be a stepping stone to a rewarding career in the hospitality industry. Many front desk agents move up to supervisory or managerial roles within the hotel, such as front office manager or assistant general manager. Some hotels even offer tuition assistance or scholarships to help employees further their education, which can open doors to higher-paying positions within the industry. The skills gained in this role, such as problem-solving, communication, and customer service, are transferable to various areas of the hospitality field. Now, let's review the daily tasks of a front desk agent. Each day brings new challenges and opportunities for these professionals. They greet guests with a warm smile and provide a seamless check-in and check-out process. They also handle reservations, manage room assignments, and ensure billing accuracy. In addition, front desk agents assist with guest inquiries, provide information on local attractions, and address any concerns or requests promptly. They may also handle phone calls, take messages, and assist with special requests, like arranging transportation or making restaurant reservations. To succeed in this role, excellent communication and problem-solving skills are a must. Front desk agents must be able to multitask, stay calm under pressure, and provide exceptional customer service to create a positive and memorable guest experience. In the end, being a front desk agent at a hotel is an exciting and dynamic job that offers opportunities for growth and advancement within the hospitality industry. With the right training and dedication, you can excel in this role and make a real difference in ensuring guests have a fantastic stay. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of what it's like to be a front desk agent at a hotel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting insights into various careers and industries. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences as a front desk agent, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep welcoming the world, one guest at a time. Thank you. Listen to Original Sales Hospitality. Com video. Visit our site and subscribe to our channel for more.